What's the meaning of cretinous? Cretinous. Cretinous.
Cretinous. Cretinous. The word cretinous is an adjective used to describe someone or something that is stupid, foolish, or lacking in intelligence or common sense. It is often considered an insult and can be seen as offensive to those with certain physical or mental disabilities. When referring to a person as cretinous, it implies that they are severely lacking in mental capacity and may find it difficult or impossible to understand basic concepts or engage in normal social interactions. This term is not commonly used in polite conversation and can be seen as derogatory or insensitive.